BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released full spoilers for the December 2025 box. It is $24.95 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So the theme of this box is Reset and Renew. It will include a Barber Nutri Restore Ample full size $50 value, a Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Peel Pads full size 10 pack $29 value, Grown Alchemist Restorative Hand Cream full size 65mm $26 value, Verso Hydration Serum Deluxe 10mm $25 value, Christophe Robin Night Recovery Cream Deluxe 20mm $6 value. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.